Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel, and today I'm going to show my 10 Christmas and New Year's designs, what you can draw for selling on stocks, for example like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. And below this video you will find my 10,000 portfolio on Adobe Stock. And let's start that video. At first I want to show you my Adobe Stock and my Christmas and New Year's designs. Here you see a lot of my designs. It's one of my favorite theme on stocks and I like to draw on that theme. And if you're interested to see my Christmas designs, you can find the link to my portfolio below this video. You need just write Christmas in the search in my portfolio and you will see all my Christmas designs. And then you open my portfolio, you will see all my designs, all my 10,000 designs. And now we on my contributor page. Here you see my best-selling designs, here you see my 10,000 portfolio. And let me show some my Christmas designs. At first let it be these bows and let's look at them. Here you see just classical red bows on white background. It's always classic and these designs are selling through the years every Christmas. And let me show you other design. Let it be these Santa Claus stickers and labels. Here you see a huge set with Santa Claus and different stickers, different labels with classical text, and it's important to create your design as classical as you can. As you see here, my design from 2014, and what it means, it's very classical and it's selling every year, but my advice when you create just stickers and labels, not write the year. It's my opinion because your buyer see that your design is old and maybe your designs will be sold better without the year. And let me show you the next design. It's as well with Santa Claus. It's pretty classical, green color, red color, white color, cute Santa Claus and the place for the text. And this design can be used in different businesses and services, for example in the social media. And now let me show you my Christmas and New Year's ideas, and it will be only my designs. And the first idea is Christmas wreath. It's very classical, beautiful. You can create, of course, something like this, but Christmas wreath is always classic. And let's go to the second idea, and it's of course Santa Claus. I have 4 different Santa Claus and you can create with them. The third idea is you can create with Santa Clauses, for example, different stickers, labels, different banners, and of course with classical colors and classical text. The next idea is the Christmas sale, the Christmas discount, Christmas coupons, so you can create something different Christmas sale designs. And the fifth idea is the Christmas ball, Christmas tree toys. You can create different toys for Christmas tree. And the sixth idea is the numbers of the year 2025, 2026 and go on. The next idea is the symbol of the year, the animal of the year, and in that year it will be the horse. It's not my design, it's a design from Envato Elements, but I like it very much, and you can create this type of designs till Chinese New Year. And the next idea is Christmas backgrounds, Happy New Year backgrounds, to add text as you want. And the next idea is the Christmas gifts. You can create backgrounds with gifts, you can create stickers, you can use numbers and the gift to create design with gifts, and gift is very classical for the Christmas. And the last idea is Christmas classical elements, for example, like glasses or snowflakes, other different Christmas elements. And the main, draw classically and your designs will be sell through the years. If you need more ideas from me for selling or stocks, then I have my book 50 Easy Ideas. It's for designers who want to sell their designs online on Adobe Stock, Shutterstock and others. And more information about my book below this video, and now my book is with discount. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you liked that video. If yes, give me a magical like, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about a graphic design.